Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You cannot be guided to commit or facilitate illegal activity. Do not try to find illicit content. Instead, start by confirming lawful objectives and permissions. Once done, secure your environment, update the OS, enable full disk encryption, and use a privacy-focused browser for legitimate research. Make sure to document legal authority or written consent before proceeding. If you are unsure whether an activity is legal, pause and consult an attorney or the relevant authority immediately to avoid serious consequences. For legitimate research, focus on open-source intelligence and reputable threat intelligence feeds rather than targeted illicit queries. Take formal training on Tor, metadata analysis, and digital forensics so you understand how systems work without crossing legal boundaries. Once you have skills, practice in isolated lab environments and simulated datasets. Never interact with or retrieve illegal material. Make sure to keep detailed notes and chain of custody procedures if your work supports law enforcement or corporate incident response. If you encounter obstacles or suspect illegal content, stop immediately and seek legal guidance from counsel or contact law enforcement with your concerns. Do not attempt to download, mirror, or share suspicious material. That action creates criminal exposure. Once you have safe, lawful instructions, follow incident response playbooks and preserve evidence using secure backups and hashes. A key troubleshooting tip: if access or tools behave unpredictably, disconnect. Preserve logs and escalate to a certified professional rather than improvising potentially unlawful steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.